Hello everyone, my name is Crisamet Montanino. I'm from Lisapet Chitu, and today I want to reflect on some of the most transformative technologies shaping our future, from GPU computing to autonomous vehicles and the metaverse. As future engineers and leaders, it is important to not only understand how these technologies work, but also to imagine the ways they will shape the way we live, interact, and create in the future. Let's start with the GPU computing. GPUs, or graphics processing units, were originally designed for gaming, to render complex graphics, simulate materials, lighting, shadows, physics, and even procedural generation. Over the years, GPUs evolved tremendously, while CPUs increased their core counts slowly over time. GPUs took parallelization on a massive scale. Modern GPUs like NVIDIA's Volta architecture can have over 5,000 cores, allowing billions of calculations to happen simultaneously. This massive parallelism made GPUs perfect for artificial intelligence, particularly deep learning, where AI models require trillions of matrix multiplications and additions. Innovations like tensor cores and optimized software like TensorRT enable GPUs to run AI computations many times faster than traditional CPUs, allowing breakthrough in image recognition, natural language processing, and scientific simulation. For example, GPUs are now used in protein folding research, helping scientists understand diseases like Alzheimer's disease or the COVID-19 faster than ever before. They're also accelerating climate modeling, enabling more accurate weather predictions and disaster management systems. Beyond research, GPUs are now being used in real-time language translation, self-driving car simulations, and even virtual filmmaking, where entire movies can be rendered digitally in hours instead of months. The exciting part is that hardware and software advancements together are creating possibilities that were impossible just a decades ago. As future engineers like me, it is inspiring to see how a tool originally built for gaming has become the backbone of AI and scientific progress. It teaches us an important lesson. Innovation often comes from unexpected places. Something as simple as a gaming chip can now change the world in a way its creator never imagined. Speaking of AI, one of the most tangible applications today is in autonomous vehicles. Modern cars are no longer just machines, they are robots on wheels, equipped with cameras, LIDAR, radar, and ultrasonic sensors, all powered by high performance GPUs. AI systems process this information in real time to create a 4D model of the world, identifying roads, traffic signs, pedestrians, other vehicles, and even predicting what might happen next. This is not science fiction, it is happening today, with vehicles learning to drive in complex urban environments safely. Companies like NVIDIA and Tesla have developed synthetic visual cortices, AI systems inspired by the human brain, to help cars navigate safely and efficiently. They also use simulation and synthetic data to train AI without putting human at risk. Imagine a self-driving car navigating a busy road while predicting a cyclist around a corner or anticipating a sudden pedestrian crossing. That is the power of AI combined with GPUs and high fidelity sensors. The future of transportation will not only be electric and sustainable, but it may also surpass human driving in safety and efficiency. Self-driving cars could drastically reduce accident caused by human error, decrease traffic congestions, and even change the way cities are designed. As engineers, it is a call to focus not only on innovation, but also on responsibility and safety, because our creations will interact with real human lives. At the same time, another frontier is opening in the digital and virtual space, which is the metaverse. So the metaverse promises immersive 3D digital worlds where people can socialize, work, play, and even conduct commerce using avatars. Platforms like Meta, Roblox, and IMVU are already showing glimpses of what this world could look like. With virtual reality, augmented reality, and technologies like MetaHumans, we can create avatars that resembles us and interact in virtual spaces in realistic ways. Haptic feedback, motion tracking, and even simulated taste or touch can make the experience feel tangible. So people are already shopping, working, dating, and creating art in these digital worlds, demonstrating the rise of virtual economies powered by digital currencies like virtual coin. Imagine attending a concert on the other side of the world without leaving your room, or collaborating with a team in a virtual lab to design a product that exists only digitally at first. So these experiences are that are becoming real today. However, the metaverse also raises important questions like how do we balance our digital lives with our physical lives? How do we prevent cyberbullying or digital harm in spaces that feel real? How can we make immersive experiences accessible and inclusive? So those are the ethical challenges that future engineers and technologists must consider. The metaverse also shows the power of combining AI, GPUs, and advanced sensors, all technologies that were once separate but now converge to create entirely new experiences. So we are moving towards a world where digital and physical experiences can blend seamlessly, but this also means we must think critically about ethics, privacy, and social responsibility. Reflecting on all of this, one thing becomes clear. AI, GPUs, autonomous vehicles, and the metaverse are deeply connected. GPUs power AI, AI powers autonomous vehicles, and AI powers virtual worlds. So all of these technologies are advancing rapidly, creating a future full of possibilities, but also responsibilities. So as future engineer, we have the opportunity to shape this future ethically, sustainably, and inclusively. We must ask ourselves, how can we use these tools to solve real-world problems? How can we design autonomous systems that are safe and reliable for everyone? How can we build a metaverse that enhances life rather than replaces it? So the pace of technological acceleration is astonishing. GPUs continue to evolve, AI models are becoming smarter, autonomous vehicles are learning to predict and navigate better than humans, and virtual worlds are becoming immersive and economically viable. We are approaching a time when digital twins, virtual replicas of real-world system will allow us to experiment and optimize before deploying anything in the physical world. Imagine testing a city's traffic system in a virtual environment before implementing changes, or training medical AI in a fully simulated hospital without risking patient safety. So these capabilities will make engineering safer, faster, and more creative than ever before. The future is a space where digital and physical worlds may blend, creating experiences we can barely imagine today. Virtual reality may allow students to explore Mars, engineers to design buildings, um, or surgeons to perform complex operations using AI-assisted robotic system. So we are entering now a world full of technology and creativity merge, enabling human potential in ways never before possible. So as a future engineer, the path is both exciting and demanding. We have to change, we have the chance to push boundaries, innovate responsibly, and create technologies that enhance human life in ways previously thought impossible. We also need to remember that every line of code, every circuit design, and every system we build has an impact on society. Innovation without responsibility is incomplete. So in conclusion, the development of GPUs, AI, autonomous vehicles, and the metaverse is not just about faster hardware or smarter software. It is about humans interact with technology and how we shape the world for future generations. We are now entering an era where machines and digital worlds will be our partners in solving global challenges. As we transverse in this future, we must be thoughtful, creative, and ethical, ensuring that these incredible technologies serve humanity positively. The question I leave for all of us is, how will you contribute to this future? How will you ensure that your innovations make the world better, safer, and more inclusive? These technologies are tools, but it is up to us to decide how they are used. Remember, the world is not only what we inherit, it is what we create, and every one of us has the power to shape it. Thank you for watching, and I encourage all of you to think about how will you contribute to this future as engineers and innovation. Again, I am Kirjamete Mantanino from Disipet 2, and thank you for watching my video.